Hey everyone, have you ever looked at your net worth on paper and thought, this looks great, but why doesn't it feel like financial freedom? Today, we're breaking down the real key to freedom and security: cash flow. Unlike a high net worth, cash flow is the type of financial power that actually impacts your life day to day. It's what fuels true independence and peace of mind. Whether you're in Canada, Singapore, the United States, the United Kingdom, or Australia, this is a perspective shift you won't want to miss, and it just might change how you think about wealth forever. If you find value in this, please hit like and subscribe so we can spread this critical message to more people. All right, let's dive in. Chapter 1. Net worth versus cash flow. Let's start with the basics. Net worth is simply the value of all your assets minus any debts. It's the figure that shows up on paper, looking nice and hefty when things are going well. But cash flow? Cash flow is the actual money coming in, your regular income stream, like dividends from stocks or rental income from property. Here's why that matters. While net worth can look impressive, it doesn't pay the bills. Cash flow does. You can have $1 million net worth, but if it's tied up in assets that don't generate income, you may find yourself strapped for cash. So while net worth might boost the ego, cash flow is what actually keeps the light on. Chapter 2. Difference between cash flow and net worth. Now, the big difference here is that net worth can be volatile. During economic downturns, stocks can plummet, and your property's value can drop. But cash flow is steady. It's the income that keeps coming in regardless of market fluctuations. So cash-flowing assets are those that pay you consistently, like dividends from stocks, rent from real estate, or even earnings from an online business. These investments give you a financial safety net and peace of mind, especially if you're aiming for financial independence. Chapter 3. Why cash flow is superior to net worth. Why is cash flow more reliable than net worth? Because it's practical. Net worth on its own is just a number, but cash flow is a measure of real financial health. With positive cash flow, you're set for day-to-day expenses, even in emergencies like job loss, illness, or a recession. You don't need to dip into savings or sell assets because cash flow keeps you afloat. Chapter 4. Investment in cash-flowing assets. So, let's talk about building cash flow. There are different ways to do it: real estate, dividend stocks, and even online businesses. Let's break each of these down so you can see how they contribute to a stronger financial future. Chapter 6. Challenges of real estate investment versus dividend stocks. All right, let's talk about real estate. Here in Singapore, property investments are a popular way to build cash flow. Rental properties can indeed provide steady monthly income from tenants, and there's often potential for property value appreciation over time. With some improvements, you can even increase the property's value and potentially charge higher rent. But real estate does come with its challenges. First off, real estate requires a hefty initial outlay. With Singapore's high property prices, you're looking at a substantial down payment, plus additional costs like property taxes, maintenance, and possibly mortgage interest. It's a major financial commitment, which can be difficult to sustain if life throws a curveball, like job loss or unexpected expenses. Real estate can also be high maintenance, with the constant need to manage tenants, handle repairs, and deal with vacancy periods where you're still covering costs without rental income. Now, if you're looking for a more hands-off approach, let's explore dividend stocks and REITs. Dividend-paying stocks from solid companies, sometimes called dividend aristocrats, offer a fantastic alternative to real estate for generating cash flow. There's no tenant management, no property repairs, and no worry about vacancies. With dividend stocks, you simply hold onto your shares and enjoy passive income as dividends roll in, completely hassle-free. And here's another option: REITs, or real estate investment trusts. REITs allow you to invest in real estate with much lower upfront costs compared to buying a property outright. You get to enjoy a share of the rental income from commercial or residential properties without having to manage anything directly. In Singapore, REITs are popular because they offer high yields and allow you to invest in real estate across various sectors, all with lower risks and greater liquidity. Plus, dividends from local companies and certain REITs in Singapore are tax-free. This means more of your cash flow stays in your pocket without the extra effort or expenses. The stability, ease, and tax advantages make dividend stocks and REITs highly attractive for cash flow-focused investors looking to grow their wealth efficiently. So, when you weigh the options, real estate can be a strong cash flow tool, but it does require a lot of involvement and upfront investment. For a more hands-off, stable approach, especially if you're looking for tax benefits and a diversified portfolio, dividend stocks and REITs offer excellent ways to build and strengthen your cash flow right here in Singapore. Chapter 6. Strategies to enhance cash flow. So how do we get more cash flow? Here are some great starting points to build a stable income stream. 1. Invest in high-yield assets. Look for dividend-paying stocks or high-rent properties that can give you reliable income. 2. Increase rental income. If you own property, even small upgrades can justify a rental increase, adding to your monthly cash flow. 3. Consider side hustles. From freelancing to part-time consulting, side hustles bring in extra cash flow and can be aligned with your skills. 4. Reinvest dividends. For those invested in dividend stocks, reinvesting dividends can grow your income month after month, letting you build cash flow faster. These strategies help you secure your finances against economic ups and downs. Plus, they're especially useful in today's high-interest environment, where stable income streams make a big difference. Chapter 7. Online business as cash flow source. Finally, let's not forget online businesses. Starting a blog, creating digital products, or selling expertise can bring in extra cash flow. While these aren't completely passive, they provide flexibility and scalability. For those willing to put in some initial time, online businesses are a fantastic addition to any cash flow strategy. Chapter 8. Real-life story. Here's a real-life story that perfectly illustrates the power of a cash flow strategy. Sarah, a graphic designer from New York, worked hard to build a solid financial foundation. Over the years, she'd accumulated a strong net worth with investments in property, stocks, and a healthy retirement fund. But when her industry took a hit and layoffs started happening, Sarah found herself unexpectedly without a paycheck. At first, she felt secure knowing she had a high net worth, but then reality set in. Her real estate and retirement accounts weren't easy to tap into without penalties or selling at a loss. What saved her from financial stress was a smart cash flow strategy she'd been building on the side. Years back, Sarah had started investing in dividend-paying stocks, which now provided her with a steady monthly income. This cash flow became her lifeline, covering her expenses without the need to touch her long-term investments or make drastic changes to her lifestyle. This experience taught Sarah a crucial lesson. While net worth is valuable, cash flow is what truly sustains you in uncertain times. Her story is a reminder that a cash flow strategy doesn't just build wealth, it provides the freedom and stability to handle life's unexpected challenges with confidence. Conclusion. So here's the real takeaway. Everyone's financial freedom isn't just about that big net worth number. It's about building real independence through cash flow. And one of the easiest ways to start? Dividend stocks. They're a smart, low-maintenance way to bring in steady income month after month, without the hassle of property management or complex investments. Imagine your wealth working for you, funding your lifestyle, covering your needs, and giving you the freedom to live on your terms. Take a step today. Start adding dividend stocks to your portfolio no matter where you are in your journey. Begin small, but start now. Every share you hold can bring you closer to a future where cash flow supports your life goals without worry. Thanks so much for watching. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to boost their cash flow game. Together, let's build true financial freedom through cash flow. See you in the next video.